How to access Bing's ChatGPT 4.0. So go open your browser. I will be using Microsoft Edge for this one. Navigate to bing.com, and on this page, click on the chat right here on top, and this pop-up window will then open. Now, if you're not using the Microsoft Edge browser or you haven't joined the waitlist yet, click on Join Waitlist here on the bottom part or open in Microsoft Edge, whatever button is available on your screen. Once we click this Join Waitlist, we will be asked to install a browser extension and the mobile app to get the access to Bing's chat a lot easier and a lot faster. After being on the waitlist, this will take around 2 to 3 days before having access to the Bing chat. Check the website and chat from time to time. And once you have this, Ask Me Anything tab on the bottom part, you can now use the Chat GPT. So that is how you access Bing's Chat GPT 4.0 or the Bing chat. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.